Landing pages are conversion champions, perfect for capturing leads, promoting specific programs, or telling a compelling brand story. Today, we'll show you how to create a captivating landing page inspired by Bremont Watches Ambassador Program page using the powerful MEGAMOG Shopify theme by FoxEcom. The page does a great job of exuding brand credibility and compelling visitors to engage. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Now, let's dive into building a landing page with MEGAMOG theme. First, we will create our new page in MEGAMOG. In the theme editor, locate the template selector. Under the Pages section, click on Create Template. Give the template a unique name and use the template drop-down menu to select an existing template you want to base your new template on. After that, we will set the fonts we're going to use. Head over to the theme settings, then Typography. This is where you'll define the fonts for your page. Bremont's landing page uses decimal custom font for headings and Montserrat Google font for body text. Let's select the Montserrat Google font for the body text. For the headings, we will add the font file link that we've already uploaded to Shopify files under the supported format. Check the option Use Custom Font. Adjust font sizes, line heights, and button settings to match your desired style. Next, we will define the color schemes used for our page. A color scheme is a set of colors. You can define different color schemes in your theme settings and apply the color schemes to different sections throughout your online store with a color scheme picker. Now comes the fun part, customizing your landing page. Let's start with a custom content section to create a page title and subheading similar to Bremont's. The custom content section is a versatile tool for adding flexible elements to your page. Set the color scheme we've just defined earlier for our section here. On to the next part of showcasing captivating images, we will use image banner sections. You can add an image for desktop and mobile view separately. Other images below have the same style, so we will duplicate the first section, and then replace it with different images and content. We've added our image banners and their copies. You can see some banners are darker so the text can stand out. Therefore, we will add a custom code to those images we want to set the opacity to. All good. For the next part, we will use custom content sections to add a heading and description, along with stunning images and grid. You can have these two parts in the same custom content section, or separate them in two like us here to easier define the padding under the text. Adjust the row gap and column gap of the section. Change the container width of each image to 33% to have 3 images per row. To showcase information in a visually appealing grid layout similar to Bremont's, we'll utilize the multiple columns section. Each block within the multiple columns section allows you to add an image, a heading, a description, and a button. You can reorder the blocks as you want. In the last section, you might want to adjust the image width to achieve a layout that aligns with Bremont's design. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect fit for your content. We will add a bit of custom CSS here to set a wider width to this section. Once you're happy with your image card sections and overall layout, don't forget to save all your changes. Now, head over to the Shopify Pages section and create a new page. To make your landing page accessible to visitors, you'll need to link it to your website's navigation menu or other relevant areas. With MEGAMOG, creating a landing page that captures attention and inspires action, just like Bremont's, is within reach. For more helpful tips on using MEGAMOG theme, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about this tutorial, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.